Windows 11 is stealing at least 15% of your FPS right now, and this is with hidden services we're going to kill right now. 5 of them within at least 4 minutes. Let's go. And there are no downloads needed, so this is great. Open the Windows icon and then type Core Isolation. Make sure to press enter to open this menu. You have to turn this off while gaming and turn it on again when you're not gaming. Let me tell you why. Well, malware can be inserted while this is turned off, but while you're gaming, it should be completely fine. But turn them on again when you're browsing the web and everything, because you might be downloading things that can harm the system. But you might get at least 5% more FPS from this completely for free, and it's running in the background. Let me show you how to get the ultimate performance plan right now with step 2. Right now, when you search for power plan, you will only be able to enable balance, power saver or high performance. But I'm going to tell you and show you that you can get ultimate performance right now. It's super easy, just click on the Windows icon and then type PowerShell. After doing this, make sure that you run it as admin. Click on yes to accept those permissions and this window will open. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do this very easy. The command is in the description, by the way. Go to the description and get the command. And when you have copied it, the only thing you need to do is to right click on this screen and then it will paste it to this window. Press enter and you will get the ultimate performance power plan right now. Then afterwards, open the power options again, just like this. We'll open this control panel, go to power options right here, and you will see the ultimate performance power plan right here. Just click on it once and it will be enabled. This already makes your DPC latency drop a lot. Let's move on to step 3. I don't know if you followed any guides, but you have probably disabled this server SysMain, and this makes your app's launch times way slower than it should be. If you have an NVMe or SSD hard drive, you need to have this enabled. Disabling this kills the standby memory that makes pages and everything load a lot faster. You need to have this enabled to make those pages load a lot quicker. So to get here, the only thing you need to do is to open services just like this. You can press the Windows button and then you can open services, the application. Right here, click on something once and then click on S and you will filter through this list. The only thing you need to make sure of is that SysMain right here is running. So make sure the startup type is on automatic and start it up again. Also here in recovery, make sure it restart servers and take no action here are exactly the same like it is with me. The reason why people turn it off is because they think freeing up the standby memory is a good thing, but it makes sure that actually things are going to load a lot slower. Well, you might be saving some RAM, but your CPU and load speeds and everything will be a lot slower. So if you think pages are loading slow, you have to enable this, because otherwise it will keep happening. There are many mistakes other tutorials are showing, and I have a perfect guide for you. It's in the link of the description, and this optimization guide is just $5 and it goes through every single setting I'm showing right now. You can check it out in the description or in the pinned comment, and following these 10 modules you can easily do in like 20 minutes. Easily, your PC will be a lot faster. So let's move on to step 4. Applications like Copilot and Bing, Search and Clipchamp and everything are running in the background right now, and it's pretty much bloatware, so let's turn it off on your computer right now. I have some commands right here we need to run to uninstall these applications like Bing Search, Copilot, Clipchamp and Get Help. These are running in the background and they're pretty much bloatware. Unless you're using one of these, I should disable them and turn them off right now. The only thing you need to do is to open PowerShell just like this, click on it and then run as administrator. Click on yes to give those permissions. The only thing you need to do is to copy these from the description, then paste them in the command prompt like I'm doing. Let's right click and then it will go and uninstall it from your system just like that. A very easy command, you don't have to do anything else. You only have to agree right here and that's all. If there are no packages found, that's great, it's already uninstalled. Let's move on to the next one, Copilot. Do the same for Clipchamp and do the same for Get Help. This will already disable these from your RAM and free them up for you completely free. Let's move on to step 5. And let me know if there are any issues, comment down below and we'll help you directly. Let's move on to services again, because there might be something enabled that should be turning off right now. In services itself, click on C and you will filter to this list. We need to find connected user experience and telemetry. You can find it right here, double click on it, and then make sure the startup is on disabled. Stop it just like this. This will free up memory and not track you in the background a lot, which is taking up performance right now. It pretty much sends data every single hour, and this is doing it automatically. Also, make sure it's disabled with recovery. So go to recovery right here and make sure these things are on take no action. Because with a Windows update, it can actually enable. So make sure it's applied, it's disabled, stop it, and it will not be tracking you in the background. And you're freeing up RAM right now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Goodbye.